So I think you are hearing me well, or you are seeing my video. Isn't it frozen yet?
Yeah, no, it's working now.
Okay, that's cool though.
Yeah, it was me.
So what's up? How you doing? How's going your day?
Good. How are you doing?
Well, everything is okay, but last night we got really quite a terrible storm here in my territory, and we got really alarmed by our government weather office, and we had to stay in high caution. But anyway, it's just gone, but we are still getting some bad weather yet. Anyway, let's talk about ourselves.
That's terrible, but I'm glad you're okay. Is everybody else okay?
Yeah, everyone okay, but due to the excessive rainfall, we have to be high caution due to my buildings. My buildings is more than 150 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bad.
All right. So, Winona, I wanted to bring you up through my Facebook Live as well. That because of you, I wanted to attach your YouTube link, and if you speak out coming up here on my Facebook Live, I think lots of people will jump on my live and they will subscribe your YouTube channel as well. Already you have been viral in my country better than me. Honestly, yes.
Yeah, well, I'm off until I work Saturday and Sunday, but I work a night shift, so I'm pretty much off indefinitely. So when we go to do this, we can do it whenever.
All right, but we will have to be more technical, right? The technical meaning is when my follower is on the time we want to go on the live, that because everyone can jump on easily. And by the way, and our broadcasting will be very fruitful. Okay. All right. So would you be able to join on my live in my Bangladesh night time? It will be your morning time, right? So our 10 p.m. that meaning your maybe daytime 11 or 12. Okay, so I said my audience, my friend from United States who wants to join through my Facebook Live, but that will be very effective if you join up when you're gonna be free. I mean, I want to take notice of your time.
What day? Actually, it doesn't matter to me. Whatever time works best for you, I can do it. Because the time that I really get on Bigo is like 6 p.m., but that doesn't really matter for what we're doing.
Okay, so Winona, how about that? If you come on the live, your morning time.
Are you talking about tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow in the morning.
Tomorrow I get up at 8 a.m. and then I will drop my kids off at 9. And then after that, I'm free.
9 after that. So I'm gonna give you more time, like your 10 a.m. in the morning time.
Okay.
Okay, fair enough.
Probably 10 a.m. would be good.
So I'm gonna post this video so that my people can wait for our live broadcasting that you are coming up, and everyone will be very eager to join on the live. Okay, so no worry, now listen to your music, and we see you tomorrow. Okay,
I'll see you tomorrow, Ghazi.
thank you so much.
Good job. I look forward to speaking with you again tomorrow.
100%. Thank you. Listen to your music, my dear friend.
Thank you, Ghazi.
Okay, search for now. Mhm.
Bye, Kazi.
Sure. Thank you.